Good morning students, my name is Gagandeep Kaur. We are doing unit number 4 digital presentation, and today we are going to cover two sessions, inserting transitions and inserting animations. So let's start with inserting transitions. So first question arises is why we need transitions. When we move from one slide to another, usually it shows black screen if we don't apply any transition, but if we apply the transition, it gives the slide a visual motion when it change from one to another. So transition help in increasing audience interest during the presentation. To do that, go to the transition tab. We have variety of options here. First of all, I will select this wipe and you can see the preview also. Now when you click any of the transition effect, the effect options activate. Now by default it is from right. You can change the motion of this transition like this. So next thing is sound. Which kind of sound you want? You don't want any kind of sound, so click on the no sound. Duration of the transition. If I keep on increasing the duration, the transition effect will last longer. Like this. So earlier it was quite fast, now it is a bit slow. The next option is apply to all. Apply to all option help you to set the same effect for all the other slides. So I will click on apply to all. Next is you want it on a mouse click or you want it after some time. I will show you the both things. On click, you have to manually go to the next slide. You have to click every time and the slide will change. And if you don't want to do that, click on the after option. It will change the next slide 5 seconds after the previous. So like this, I will click on the preview option. Now I'm not clicking anything and it will come on its own. So this is how both mouse click and duration works. These were the options which come under transition slide. The next topic is of inserting animations. While the transition is applied on the slide, the animation is applied on the objects in the slide. So to do that, go to the animation tab, click on the object you want to show first in the slide. So I want this to come first. I will click on any of the options like this, float in. Again, the effect option, float up or float down. So I will click on the float down option. Go to the second object, again apply some effect. I will click on the preview option. You can see the preview. If you are satisfied with it, then it's okay. Next thing is if you want, again on click with the previous one or after the previous. So I will click on after the previous option. I will select my component after the previous, again with this after the previous. Everything is done on the duration. I am not clicking on the mouse. You can see how the transition and the animations are occurring side by side. So this is how transition and animation works. One thing you should always keep in the mind that you should not apply more than one transition or animation on the single object. It will distract the audience, and always try to choose the effects which are not gaudy, which are not that highlighted. Choose according to the type of the presentation you are doing. If you are working with the kids, then you can use those effects like this. But if you are working in the professional way, you can just simply click on the fade option. So this is how you have to manage both transition and animations. Thank you.